Hi there, my name is Paul with Green Rush Nutrients. Today I'm going to be talking to you about compost teas. One of the new products that we're working on is getting a kit together so you can make compost teas at home easily and efficiently. What we're going to be using is worm castings by Vermibec, which is going to be included in the kit. We're going to be using some leafy green and soluble seaweed extract for our first set of compost teas. Compost teas can be done during veg, flour. So I'm going to show you how easy it is with the kit that we have put together. Let's get started.
So the first step is to grab your 5-gallon bucket and 4-inch air stone. Every air stone comes with 3 little suction cups. Make sure they're a little bit wet before securing them to the bottom of the bucket. This allows for it to not move around. Next step, we're going to fill our bucket up with water. Make sure the air stone stays submerged for at least 30 minutes. This allows the air stone to soak up all the water, so when we hook up the air pump, it works at optimal efficiency. I'm going to take one side of our 1/4-inch tubing and place it onto the outlet of the air stone. Once it's on secure, I'm going to place this to the bottom of the bucket. Next step, we're going to take the other side of the tubing that's connected to the air stone and place it into one of the ports in the air pump. Boom, we got some bubbles. Alright, for this tea bag mixture, I'm using 3 cups of worm castings, so roughly 750 milliliters. I'm going to place this into the tea bag first. Next container is a mixture of leafy green and soluble seaweed extract. Depending on the stage of growth and where your plants are at and how much water you're using, the values are always going to be different. Once that's secure, you're just going to want to tie up your tea bag. And that's it. We're going to then start placing this into the water. It takes a little bit for the tea bag to actually submerge, but once the water starts to seep in a little bit, just like a regular tea bag, it's going to start dropping down to the bottom. I'm currently tying this to the tubing. This is not the greatest idea. I did this more so for the video, but if you end up having a hole or a handle on the side of the bucket, that is the best place to tie the tea bag, so that way it doesn't mess around with the air hose. 24 hours later, this is what your tea is going to look like. We have a little bit of froth going on, meaning that the material is activated and she's ready to be given to our plants. This is one of the easiest things you can do in regards to getting some good compost tea and good nutrients to your plants in an organic way. And that concludes our video on the compost teas. Thank you very much for watching this. If you want to learn more, check out our Instagram handle and YouTube channels, and we hope to see you again.